Every day is different. Sometimes things flow smoothly, effortless. Then change comes. You must be prepared for it and make the right decisions with the right guidance. Trust is so important in life. That is why I use Contour Next One with smartLIGHT. It helps me instantly interpret my blood glucose readings with a colored light, and that is unique. It's simple, easy to use, and its proven accuracy gives me the green light to go. Knowing if my blood glucose result is within range at the flash of a light, I have the possibility to make informed decisions about my diabetes self-management. Contour Next One with smartLIGHT syncs with my smartphone and the Contour Diabetes app, which uses the same colored target ranges to easily guide me even further when my next test is due, or what patterns my glucose levels take to help improve my diabetes self-management. When I need a guide, I go for the one I trust. Contour Next One with smartLIGHT. Trust the light.